Hello, my beauty. After being in the skincare industry for more than 14 years and a esthetician and laser therapist for 8, there is one ingredient that I have witnessed the most change in people's skin. Can you guess? Retinol! Probably easy guess because of the video title, but retinol comes in many different forms. Now you're going to see different ingredients such as retinaldehyde, vitamin A, retinol palmitate, retinol acetate, tretinoin, etc. The list goes on. I really wouldn't worry about that too much right now. Now I love retinol because it's such an all-rounder. It helps smooth the texture, it helps with acne, it helps with large pores, it helps with fine lines, and it helps give your skin a really nice glow. How retinol works. In order for your skin to benefit from retinol, enzymes in the body have to convert it into retinoic acid, which is the active form of vitamin A. Retinoic acid is really good at optimizing your skin's function on a cellular level. Okay, it helps so much with acne because it helps your skin breathe, baby, breathe, with that cell turnover rate. Dirt, debris, bacteria does not get stuck in the pore as much, causing the breakout. And it also helps with pores because that dirt and debris isn't getting stuck in the pore and expanding. It's also helping with the pores by controlling the oil production, and it also helps to keep down inflammation. And another great thing is it helps to prevent, you know, when you get a pimple, you're left with a dark spot for a long time. It helps a lot with pigmentation and darkening of the skin. So if you have acne, retinol is amazing product for that. It also does wonders for aging skin. Have you ever noticed how soft and smooth a baby's skin is? It's because they have a high cell turnover rate. And it starts to kind of slow down in our mid-20s, and that results in thinning skin, dull skin, and more pigmented skin. And when the cell turnover rate happens a lot faster, it allows new healthy cell growth to happen and get rid of the old dead skin cells that make our skin dull. It also helps to increase collagen production and make the pores a lot tighter. It's also so good at preventing the breakdown of your skin. So that's going to help keep your skin firm and plump and have a nice spring back in your skin. So I would recommend start using retinol for age prevention reasons in your mid-20s. There are 2 different types of retinols that I like to stick to. I try to steer clear from the prescription retinols just because they are the strong chemically form of retinol with no added botanicals or ceramides to help prevent your skin from getting really irritated, and I have seen that so many times. You can still get a prescription strength retinol with all these other good ingredients in there. It's really hard to find a perfectly clean retinol, but these are the 2 types that I like to stick to. The first type of retinol that I recommend is over-the-counter retinol, and I would really go for the more natural brands. And you kind of want to avoid stuff that you get from CVS or, you know, the drugstore or Sephora, because those kind of brands tend to be full of a lot of chemicals. And the more natural brands, I get mine either from Whole Foods or from Amazon, and they're not going to be quite as effective, but they're good for people that are new to retinol, that your skin needs to get used to it, or if your skin is very sensitive, or if you're on a budget. Brands that I love and I've tried are My Shell, Mad Hippie, and The Ordinary. The second type of retinol that I love are cosmeceuticals. These are a lot stronger, they're higher in active ingredients, and you usually can get them at a dermatologist's office or a med spa. And it's really hard to find a completely natural brand of a cosmeceutical, but the brands that I mention are chemical-free and paraben-free. These are going to be a lot stronger and really change your skin. Cosmeceuticals are good for people that have used retinol before, don't have sensitive skin, or have a skin problem that they want to change fast. The first brand that I love is PCA, and PCA has 3 different types of retinol that I like. The first one is intensive clarity treatment. That's great for acne. Intensive brightening treatment, that's good for brightening the skin and pigmentation. And intensive age-defying treatment, that's good for wrinkles. And what I love about them is they have the prescription strength retinol plus a million different other great ingredients mixed in there. So it's kind of like you're getting 2 products in one. The second cosmeceutical brand that I love is Cosmedix. Cosmedix also has 3 that I like. The first one is Serum 16. This one is great for dry skin or aging skin. The second one is Refine Plus. Refine Plus is a more liquidy serum. It's a little bit stronger. It's just a good all-rounder. And the third one is Define. Define is good for people with acne because it has added alpha hydroxy acids to help to slough off dead skin cells. Some irritations that can come up using retinol the wrong way are dryness, peeling, redness, itching, and sun sensitivity. We don't want any of that now, do we? So here's what to do to prevent issues. Start slow. Your skin needs to get used to the retinol or it will start to peel way too much. People tend to use it too much in the beginning, get too much peeling, and then just stop using it altogether. Start by using it every 3rd night for 2 weeks. If no irritations, increase to every other night, and then eventually every night if your skin can handle it. It's okay to flake a little bit, but if you're flaking too much, you know to back off for a couple of days. Also, don't get discouraged if you get a pimple when you start to use it. Your skin's just purging and it's temporary. Retinol makes you more sensitive in the sun, so make sure you wear at least an SPF 30 on your face every single morning. And if you know you're going to be outside for more than 2 hours, reapply that sunscreen, or what I do is I just wear a big hat. I personally avoid using retinol in the summer just to play it safe, and it kind of gives my skin a break. I ramp it up in the winter though when I'm not outside as much. A good rule of thumb is if you know you're going to be outside in the sun all day tomorrow, don't use retinol that night. When it's dry, you got to ease up on that retinol because it can make your skin even more dry when all your skin really needs is more protection. Use at nighttime only. After you wash your face, gently pat dry and put your retinol on first so that it can really work its magic. Make sure to use the recommended amount because using too much will cause irritation. Usually it's measured for you. I like to just put it between my fingers, pat it right on the skin so I don't waste any, and rub it in after that. And make sure you don't get it too close to the eye area. After you apply the serum, moisturize really well over the top, either with a cream, oil, or hyaluronic acid. This step is so important, and who cares if you look a little oily at night. And lastly, you don't want to use retinol if you have skin irritations like rosacea or eczema, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Let's do a little recap on retinol's benefits when used correctly. First, it helps to totally smooth out your texture, helps reduce acne, helps with fine lines, really gives you glowing skin, helps keep your skin really nice and firm and plump, and it helps to fade any dark spots that you might have. Okay, so you can see why this highly researched ingredient is so popular. And I truly believe in prevention when it comes to skincare, and retinol sure won't let you down. So let me know down below if you've tried any of these amazing serums. I know I have, and I have seen them tried and tested on many people. So let me know down below, and let me know if you have any more questions or if you'd like me to do any more skin videos.